Dear student, now I am starting the chapter HTML. My dear student, it is the online YouTube video. How much it will be effective for you, I don't know, but I am try to my level best. You are getting this video properly, I think. Now I am starting the chapter HTML. My dear student, you are already known what is HTML and the definition of HTML, because this HTML chapter already completed in our lab. Now I am starting. HTML is a language for developing web page. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. It is not a programming language, it is a markup language. A markup language is a collection of markup tags, so it is called as a tag based language. It is also called as a tag based language. HTML tag uses markup tag to describe web pages. HTML tags are keyboard surrounded by angle bracket. It is surrounded by angle bracket like HTML. HTML is a complete code that allows the user to create web pages. It includes text and graphics. Both. Using HTML tag, a user can add link between web pages, that is hyperlink. My student, what is hyperlink? Now, hyperlink is the link which create a link between web pages. When you click on the web pages, it open another web pages. Let us analyze the word HTML. HTML is hypertext markup language. First, I explain what is hypertext. Hypertext is the text used to link various web pages. What? Hypertext is the text used to link various web pages. बहुत वेब पेज को लिंक कराई कि हाइपरटेक्स्ट तमन पिला माने ऑलरेडी जानिछ जेतेबेले आमे गोटे वेब पेज ओपन करूचे से वेब पेज जदि गोटे हाइलाइटेड पोर्शन रहउची दैट इज कॉल्ड एज हाइपरटेक्स्ट बा हाइलाइटेड टेक्स्ट ऊपर टेक्स्ट इज द हाइपरटेक्स्ट से टेक्स्ट ऊपर जदि आमे क्लिक करिबा जदि आमे क्लिक करूचे पिला माने तमे जानिछ जदि क्लिक करूचे आ गोटे अनदर पेज ओपन होची so it is called as a hypertext and that link is called as hyperlink. Suppose we write Google. Here this is underline. This underline is a highlighted portion or different color or different type of highlighted portion are there. Color or underline, this is the highlighted. So this is the hypertext and that link is known as hyperlink. Then I am going to markup. What is markup? Markup, it means highlighting the text either by underline or displaying it different color or both. Underline or displaying different color or both. This is called as markup. देखिथबो तुम जेतेबेले हाइलाइटेड पोर्शन डिफरेंट कलर थिबो बा अंडरलाइन हेतिबो ताकू आजिबो कोन हाइपर दैट इज कॉल्ड एज markup. Then language. What is language? It refers the way of communication. Between web pages which has some system and rule. The language has some system and rules. Then I am going to requirement of HTML. There is two requirement. One is browser, another is editor, text editor. One is browser, another is the text editor. Then what is browser? Browser is a application software package used to view and explore information on World Wide Web. तमें ब्राउजर थिले इंटरनेट ऑन कर परिबो बा इंटरनेट यूज कर परिबो यूजिंग ब्राउजर यू ऑल आर ऑलरेडी नोन व्हाट इज ब्राउजर एग्जांपल ऑफ ब्राउजर इज इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर नेटस्केप navigator editor mozilla firefox google chrome opera mini etc. Then editor is the simple word processor. Like the example of editor is notepad. Writing html code and or tag am जो html code और tag को लिखिबा. Creating a developing web page using this notepad we can write html code and then developing the web pages. Dear student, you are already known how the tags are write in using notepad and how it save the extension of html is htm or html. Then it save this file, then we can run using browser. Then html document. Then I am going to html document. The html document, the general structure and html document has two sections. html document has two sections. One is head section, another is body section. Then I am going to draw a html document structure by html structure. Completed HTML document or HTML structure. This portion is called as this section is called as head section, and this section is called as body section. Now completed HTML document. My dear student, now this HTML based web page covering based tag completed and your requirement of HTML completed, then HTML document completed. है ना. आज पे एतिकी पिला माने तम पई नोट भी कर देछि. नोट भी तमे यूज कर परिबो. देखो दिस इज योर नोट. तम पाखो को ऑलरेडी सेंड कर देबी नोट. एटा होछि नोट HTML based web page covering basic tag. This is note, and this is the analyze the word HTML hypertext markup language. This is requirement of HTML editor. This is the HTML document. Now this is completed your 2-page note. पिला माने आकु पूरा नोट लिखि दबो. एटा नोट लिखि दबो. तापरे आकु पढिबो. न बुझी पाले डाउट होले मते पचारिबो. Thank you.